Oh, Merlin, you are grumpy. If it's a race you want, why don't you go and see the racehorses?
What are racehorses?
They are horses that are trained to run in races. Come on, Midge, let's go and find them.
See you later, Merlin.
Bye!
Tractor Ted and Midge go off to find them. They find a big barn which is full of horses. The children are there too.
Hello, everyone. We're looking for the racehorses.
These are all racehorses.
And we can run very fast.
Wow! What's happening now?
The children are helping to tack up. That is when the horse's saddle and bridle are put on.
Thank you.
The children have lots of questions to ask.
What's the horse's name?
He's called Good Birthday. Johnny Red?
And Dad, are you actually going to ride me?
I'm a jockey. I'm going to ride him now. You'll see me on the gallops.
Oh, I'll get out of the way.
Look, here they come. Whoa, there are so many of them.
There's Good Birthday, who we saw in the stables. Hello! Here they come! Look at the horses!
Whoa, they are so fast.
They're faster than us, Tractor Ted!
This is the trainer. He watches them carefully and will decide when they are ready for a real race. Here are some at a real race. The jockeys all wear a coloured top called a silk, so the owner can spot their horse as it races along.
Racehorses lined up in a row. Ready for a race, they're off. Go, go, go. Racehorses fly along the track. Cheer along your favourite jockey in the pack. Thundering hooves gallop like the wind. Look at how fast they all go. The jockeys ride to win. Who is going fastest? They try and try. In colours like a rainbow, they fly, fly, fly. Thundering hooves gallop like the wind. Look at how fast they all go. The jockeys ride to win. Thundering hooves gallop like the wind. Look at how fast they all go. The jockeys ride to win.
Back at the gallop, the training is finished for the day, and all the racehorses walk back to the yard. Tractor Ted, Farmer Tom, and Midge follow behind. Good Birthday is back already and is being washed off.
Oh, don't spray me!
He's enjoying that.
Right, now it's your turn, Tractor Ted.
Oh, yes, Tractor Ted. You definitely need a wash-off.
Actually, the water is nice and warm. I am nice and clean and shiny. Thank you, Farmer Tom.
Good Birthday is nice and clean too.
Merlin! Merlin! We found the racehorses! We watched them all get tacked up and we met one called Good Birthday. Maybe one day I'll be a racehorse. And we can come and watch you race! Hello!
Hello, Tractor Ted. Hi, everyone. Hello, Midge.
Some of the children are brushing the pony, and some are feeding the goats.
I like your ponies. What are they called?
That one's Wahid, and this is Timmy. I don't want them to stand on my paws. They have big hooves. We don't want them to stand on ours, so we are staying in here. Meh, yum, yum. Thank you. Oh, look at this nice bed. What's it made from?
It's made from miscanthus grass.
What?
Miscan what?
Miscanthy grass?
I'm going to go and see how they cut it all today. Are you coming, Midge?
No way.
OK, see you later. Look, we've got a surprise.
Some more bedding. We watched it all being made.
Come on, Midge. Farmer Tom will be waiting. See you later, everyone. Bye.
Bye. Goodbye, Tractor Ted and Midge.
Tractor Ted and Midge head back to the farmhouse, and Timmy enjoys his nice new bed.
Lovely.